Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable secure boot in Windows 11. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just make sure that you know how to go to your motherboard's BIOS. Alright, if you don't know how to do so, first up, go ahead and go to search bar and type system information. Alright, once that's done, just hit on enter and go ahead over to baseboard product, the model of your motherboard. Alright. As you can see here, I have the B550M Pro 4, so I'm going to keep that in mind and go ahead over to my favorite browser. Then I'm going to look for B550M Pro 4, how to go to BIOS. Hit on enter. As you can see here, here are a ton of results right here. Just go ahead and look for the particular key. As you can see here, delete key or F2 key is the one that I'm gonna repeatedly press. All right, I'm gonna keep that in mind. So what we're gonna do here to enable secure boot, restart our computer, restart. Now, once the screen turns totally black, I'm gonna bring my keyboard. Then I'm gonna press on delete once it starts to boot into the BIOS. Exactly right here, delete. As you can see, we are now on the BIOS. So what we're going to find here is basically the boot section. All right, I'm going to head over to the boot section. Your motherboard's BIOS might be different. All right, just go ahead and look it up online on how to enable your respective secure boot. Now in here under security, I'm going to go ahead and use the down arrow key on my keyboard, down. Then I'm going to go ahead over to secure boot, hit enter, and I'm going to click on it to enter. As you can see here, if yours is set to disabled right here, make sure that it is highlighted to enabled and hit on enter. Once that's done, don't forget to save the changes. All right, go ahead and head over to exit. Then make sure to select the option save changes and exit. Once done, just hit on enter. There will be a prompt, save configuration changes and exit setup. Just go ahead and hit on yes, and it will just restart your computer. Now, let's just wait for it to restart and it will just boot normally. All right. And that's basically how you enable secure boot in Windows 11. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.